In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the rear differential fluid in your 2013 Ford F-150, and this can be done for the 09 to 014 model guys. This one has the 8.8 inch base or cover, as you have two sizes guys, the 8.8 inch and the 9.7 inch. So please check your service manual for the correct gasket and fill capacity. The 8.8 inch uses just about 3/4 of 75W140 gear oil. So I'm going to show a bit of WD-40 on there first guys, so that will help when we're loosening it. It will pull a bit easier. So just a little tip guys. So the first step guys, we'll remove our fill plug with a 3/8 drive ratchet. Okay guys, using the breaker bar, I got the fill plug cap pulled. So let's get that out and we'll go ahead and remove the differential cover. Okay guys, so here we got our cap out. So now we can go ahead and remove the cover guys. So the next step guys, we'll remove these clips with this brake line and set that aside. I'll just spray a bit of WD-40 around all the bolts guys, so we can get them loose. Please make a note of the 3 different stud nuts guys, as they are different from these bolts, so you'll want to make sure you install them back to their original position. And to remove these guys, we'll need a 13mm socket. So I like to start with my ratchet, and then I'll just use my impact driver guys, so that we don't damage anything. So guys, I'm not going to completely remove these two, as I want them to hold the cover when I pry it open so it doesn't fall guys. So we'll just loosen those up just a bit. And then I'll use a paint scraper or a screwdriver guys to pry the cover open. I guess I'll probably have to use a screwdriver guys, so let's get that done. So we're just gonna lightly pry on this guys. So there we go. So it is recommended to change your differential oil every 50,000 miles, guys. But if you have a high mileage vehicle and you do a lot of towing, I would recommend probably every 30,000, guys. 20 to 30,000 miles, depending how frequently you want to change it, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So this is where the two bolts come in handy, guys. Instead of us having to hold it and pry it and risk falling it down into the old gear oil, this is the best way. So now we'll just remove these two bolts, these stud nut bolt, guys. And as I said, please remember where they go, so you put them back in the correct position. So now we'll just get everything cleaned up, clean out the rest of the differential, guys, clean up our mating surfaces, clean the housing, and then we'll reinstall and refill with our fresh gear oil. So now I'm just going to take a rag, guys, and just get all the excess oil out of the housing here. So save yourself some time and money, guys. Instead of taking it to the shop, you can just do it yourself. Please feel free to comment or question, guys. So no need to go overboard with it, just getting as much as we can out of there, guys. So all the parts and the tools needed for this job will be left in the description. I'll just use this paint scraper here to scrape all the old gasket material off. So to clean out this cover, guys, I'll just be using some gasoline and a old toothbrush. You can use some brake cleaner or whatever you like, guys, but the gasoline works just as well as the others, guys. So if you have some on hand, save some money. So I'll catch you when I get this cleaned up. Okay, guys, so here's our differential cover all cleaned up, and there's our new gasket that we'll be using, guys. So okay, guys, we got our gasket pre-installed, so we just gotta set it on and get everything bolted in. So if you want, you can reach for a bolt and get that set so the gasket won't shift, guys. So we can just start that bolt, and we'll get one more on the other side, guys, and that will help to keep the gasket in line. And please remember these 3 stud nuts, guys, where they go. One goes to the top here, one goes over one to the left, one count over to the left, skipping one, guys, and the other goes parallel to that one, guys. So we'll just get everything tightened down, and I'll catch you all in a sec. So now we have everything tightened by hand, guys. I'll go ahead and use my ratchet to get everything snug down. And you want to tighten these in a crisscross pattern. So no need to over tighten these, guys, just make sure they are snug enough and you're good to go. So now we can go ahead and refill, and we'll check for any leaks, guys. Okay guys, so we have 3 quarts of 75 W140 full synthetic gear oil, and we have the Valvoline flex fill, guys, which will make it easier for us to get it into that angle where you see us remove the fill plug. So let's go ahead and get this cut, guys. Probably a scissors would be better, or a razor, but works just as well. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to fill the differential all the way up, guys, until it starts to run over from this fill port. So we'll just squeeze that entire bottle in here, this entire packet in here, guys, and we'll do that, as I said, until the fluid starts to overflow. That's when we know it's filled, guys. So I'll catch y'all when I get that done. We may need to cut a bigger hole to get a stronger pouring, but that's the way to go, guys. I see y'all in a sec. So remember to remove the seal, guys, before you try to pour in the fluid. As you know, you'll not be going anywhere if the seal isn't removed. Also, I recommend just cutting one cap, as we won't be using the full 3 quarts. So you want to make sure you can store whatever remaining fluid you have without worrying about it spilling, guys. So I think we're just about at the fill mark. As you can see, we're starting to overflow. Okay guys, I think that should be it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. So we just gotta reinstall our cap now, guys, and that is it. So we just get that tightened by hand first, and then we'll just snug it up with our ratchet. No over tightening, guys, just enough to where it's snug. Thanks for watching. Please remember, guys, to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys. That way you'll be notified whenever I drop new content. God bless. Thank you.